Some other news this morning. President Trump is making good on one of his campaign promises, imposing major tariffs on 3 of the United States' biggest trading partners, Mexico, China, and Canada.
He's also acknowledged that his executive orders will force Americans to foot a bigger bill on everyday items. ABC's Christian Cordero breaks it down.
This morning, President Trump, who campaigned on a promise to lower prices, is now likely to cost American consumers more in the grocery aisles, at car dealerships and electronics stores, and even at the pump. The president imposing sweeping 25% tariffs on imports from Canada and Mexico, a lower 10% tariff on Canadian oil and gas, and 10% tariffs on Chinese imports. Economists say the tariffs could cost American households on average up to $1,500 extra per year as businesses pass down higher costs.
We may have short term a little pain, and people understand that, but long term, the United States has been ripped off by virtually every country in the world.
47% of all imported vegetables come from Mexico and Canada, plus 91% of avocados and 87% of tomatoes. Prices at grocery stores are expected to increase in the coming weeks.
You campaigned on this wallet, but your tariffs will have more money come out of this wallet for so many goods and services.
Trump has called trade with Mexico, Canada, and China a one-way street, blaming them for the flow of undocumented migrants and illegal drugs into the U.S. Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum has ordered tariffs of her own in retaliation, saying, quote, "If the United States wants to combat criminal groups that traffic drugs and generate violence, we must work together." In the North, just over 1% of migrant apprehensions and less than 1% of fentanyl seizures take place along the U.S.-Canada border. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau says Canada will issue 25% retaliatory tariffs on more than $100 billion of American goods.
They will raise costs for you, including food at the grocery stores and gas at the pump.
Christian Cordero, ABC News, Washington.
Trump says that he is speaking with Trudeau and Sheinbaum a little bit later on today.